Ito yung RDU Terminal 1. Iba ito sa RDU na Terminal 2. So waiting for my flight going to shuttle via Alaska Airlines. So ganito lang kalaki yung airport nila dito. Yan, ito lang yung airport dito. So hindi siya masyado busy compare sa Terminal 2. Pero halos local flights lang ito dito sa United States. So from here going to shuttle and shuttle to Taiwan. Sana mas maganda pa sana makakuha ko ng mga video, pero nahirapan ako kasi halos na late ako at saka mali yung terminal na napuntahan ko. Kaya ito lang muna. So boarding na para sa New Orleans via Breeze Airlines. So yun, boarding na sila. So ayan. So naka-boarding na tayo. Paalis na tayo papuntang shuttle Washington. So may isang eroplano dito na paalis na rin. Apollo. Mga local airlines lang ito. Local flights lang sila. Tsaka itong mga budget airlines lang ito sila. Mas mura kaya maraming pasahero. Daming pasahero ngayon dito dito sa loob ng aeroplano. Ayan, daming pasahero. Ayan. Saka ito na yung isa ka aeroplano, palis na rin. Ayan, ready to fly. So hindi na tayo sa announcement bago tayo mag-fly. On time naman yung airlines na ito. On time siya. Yun na yung saka aeroplano na naghihintay ng go signal for flight to fly. So ito yung runway dito. Papunta tayo ng shuttle Washington. Hintay na lang tayo ng go signal sa tower para sa flight natin. Southwest. Hintay na tayo ng flight natin. Yung isa paalis na. Ayan, paalis na siya.
Tray tables, device holders must be in the stowed upright and locked position. And in first class, please raise your footrest. All bags, including crossbody bags, as well as larger items like laptops and tablets with keyboards, must be stowed completely under the seat in front of you in the overhead bin. Smaller devices must be held or secured if you're seated in an exit row. Please ensure the window shades are open and unplug all your devices, please. Once you're seated, ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. We should be on our way very shortly.
Ayun na, may ready for take out. Ayun.
5 hours and 18 minutes en route today. Should be mostly smooth by
Yan o. Sana makuha natin. Yung makuha. Sayang. Ayun. Kuha pala natin o. Ayun. Landing Spirit. Ayun. Ayun. Landing na siya.
Chris. My name is Kay Howell, and I'll be in the cabin today with Bill, Leslie, and Dario. Safety is our highest priority. We appreciate your attention. Please help me share some important safety information. Please review the safety card in front of you, which shows what to do in the event of an emergency. And we have 8 emergency exits, 2 doors forward, 4 window exits out the wings, and 2 doors out. The 4 doors are equipped with evacuation slides, and all exits are marked with red and white signs. In the dark cabin, floor level lighting will mark the route to those exits. Take a moment to look around and find your 2 nearest exits. Keep in mind it could be behind you. And in evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap, and unbuckle by lifting on the top. For your safety and the safety of everyone around you, keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated, and please remain in your seat whenever that seatbelt sign is on. And if needed, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above. Stay seated and pull down on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering to place the mask over your nose and mouth to secure the mask with the elastic band. Tighten by pulling on the end. Bag will not inflate, however, oxygen will be flowing. Put your own mask on first before assisting others, and keep it on until you've been advised by a crew member it is no longer necessary. Single chamber life vests are located in the compartment overhead. Infant life vests will be provided if needed. If instructed by a crew member, press on the word push here, life vest inside to assess the vest. Grab a life vest, push up on the panel to close, tear open the bag and remove the vest, place it over your head, bring the waist strap to the front, attach the clasp, and tighten it by pulling on the end. Just as you leave the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also manually inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. The light will activate in water. There are 4 life rafts on board, 2 in the forward ceiling compartments and 2 in the ceiling compartments near the middle of the aircraft. The evacuation slides at the forward doors can also be used for flotation. Federal law requires you to comply with all crew member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Interference with crew members is strictly prohibited. Federal law also prohibits smoking, vaping, or consuming your own alcohol on board this aircraft. Our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Tampering with, disabling, destroying any of these lavatory smoke detectors is strictly prohibited. The use of chewing tobacco is not permitted on board the aircraft. Your safety and well-being are very important to us. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a crew member. I'd like to ask, please use a lavatory in the cabin in which you are seated whenever they are available. For security reasons, we cannot have a line form anyone standing here at the forward portion of the aircraft. If you're seated in the main cabin or premium class, and our carts are in the aisle, if you need to come forward to use this lavatory, if it's occupied, I'm going to ask that you please wear at row 6 until the lavatory becomes available. Now, final preparation for our departure. Make sure your seatbelt is fastened. Ensure your seat back is upright. Headrest is lower. Tray tables and device holders are also stored. In a first class, please ensure that your footrests are stowed as well. All bags, including crossbody bags, as well as larger items like laptops and tablets with keyboards, must be stowed under the seat in front of you. And once again, if you're seated in the exit row, please ensure the shades are open and all your devices have been unplugged for our takeoff. And thank you again for your attention and welcome on board.
So, paalis na tayo. Alis na yung aeroplano. It's moving, going to the runway. So, ito yung airport dito. May isa pa yung aeroplano na dumating. Ganito lang yung runway dito. Dalawang runway. Landing at saka taxiing. Saka sa take off. So, moving Alaska Airlines. Window side tayo pero dito tayo sa wing, pero okay lang. Kuhanan ng buwelo yung aeroplano. Ito na, nag-warm up na yung aeroplano. Ready for take off na tayo. Alis na tayo. May aeroplano doon sa kabila. Jet setter. Maliit na aeroplano. Ayan, palis na tayo. PM na dito, pero maaraw pa rin.
Station.
Flight 10, shall we see it for takeoff?